Good morning. My name is Monica Sharma. My case study is on Indian refrigerator market. Introduction. Refrigerators are the integral part of any Indian kitchen as they keep fruits, vegetables and other food ingredients fresh for at least 1 or 2 weeks. Refrigerator has been manufactured in India since 1950. Till the 1980s, players like LG, Godrej, Whirlpool, Samsung control almost 90% of the market. The refrigerator has been growing at the rate of 15% per year. Relevance with the strategic management. As per my point of view, the case study was on Indian refrigerator market is a more relevant with strategic market. Strategic management is going planning, monetizing, analyzing and assessment of all these necessary for an organization to meet its goals and objective. Changes the business environment required organization to constantly access their strategies for success. It provides overall direction to an entrepreneur and involves specifying the organization objectives, developing policies, plans, and those objectives and plans they allocate resources to implement the plans. SWOT analysis. Strength. Innovation in every new device that launch and make new device. Continuous business improvement. Unique and low cost resource. Advanced technology. Weakness. Low profit margin. Seasonability. Very costly. Opportunity. Expansion of business. Attract a larger, wider target audience. Threat. Low profit due to low margin. E-commerce business industry barriers. Question answers. Could the refrigerator market be segmented on geographical base planned by Elidox? It is not possible that to segment according to the North and South Indian market. Once a company named become a logo, then the reason of for buying for the customer for other hand depends upon the price, quality, usability and feature of the product. So it is won't be possible to segment the market according to the geographical base. Second question, what would be the market mix for rural market? The rural market is small but scientific as per the refrigerator is concerned. Moreover, the cost of selling of dealers in the rural market should be justified. The type of food the rural people consume should be also be taken into count. They prefer to have more natural foods and less divert food products like ice creams, butter, cheese, etc. The cost of refrigerator should be less attractive to buy. The size of material should be so adjusted that the cost price would be reasonable. Third question, would 125 liter and 150 liter models be an ideal choice to launch in rural market? No, because there was a too big people and the price must be high. If this will be an ideal choice in rural market, people in rural market much prefer to sell refrigerator and less price. They also consider what they are going to place refrigerator cause their home is not big, so refrigerator would be the best store some foods because the people in rural areas have so many items to store. Conclusion. At last, I want to conclude that the times have changed and also the buying behavior of the customers. Cash and carry system have now changed into exchange offers additionally advantage like gifts, discounts and no interest EMI etc. Information technology help business, government, individual increase efficiency and effectiveness. Rapid improvement in hardware and processing ability forces customer to purchase a new and relevant technology on market level. This rapid turnover creates demand just like online order. It saves our time. Thank you so much.